We are living in an era of unprecedented technological advancement. Every day, new innovations are transforming the way we live, work, and interact with the world around us. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is at the forefront of this revolution. From self-driving cars to virtual assistants, AI is becoming an integral part of our daily lives. AI systems are becoming increasingly sophisticated. They are now capable of performing tasks that require complex decision-making and problem-solving skills. They can perform tasks that were once thought to be the exclusive domain of humans. For instance, AI is now being used in medical surgeries, where precision and accuracy are paramount. This rapid progress brings with it a sense of wonder and excitement. The possibilities seem endless, and the potential for innovation is vast. However, it also raises profound questions about the potential risks and challenges posed by AI. As we integrate these systems into our lives, we must consider the ethical and societal implications. As AI becomes more powerful, it is crucial that we carefully consider its implications for our society. This includes understanding how AI can be used responsibly and ethically. We must be mindful of the potential downsides. These include job displacement, privacy violations, and the erosion of personal freedoms. Automation could lead to significant job losses in various sectors, and AI's ability to collect and analyze data poses serious privacy concerns. Another critical issue is the rise of autonomous weapons. The development of AI-driven military technology raises ethical questions about the use of force and the potential for unintended consequences. Understanding these risks is not about hindering progress. It is about ensuring that AI is developed and deployed responsibly, with a clear understanding of the potential consequences. It is about ensuring that AI is developed and deployed responsibly. Policymakers, researchers, and industry leaders must work together to create frameworks that promote ethical AI development. We must shape a future where AI benefits all of humanity. This means creating inclusive policies that consider the needs and rights of all individuals, ensuring that no one is left behind in this technological revolution. This requires a thoughtful and informed approach. By fostering collaboration and dialogue among diverse stakeholders, we can navigate the complexities of AI and harness its potential for the greater good.
One of the most pressing concerns surrounding AI is its potential impact on employment. As AI systems become more capable, they are automating tasks across various industries. This automation could lead to widespread job displacement. Many jobs that are currently performed by humans could be taken over by machines. This includes roles in manufacturing, transportation, and customer service. The transition to an AI-driven economy could exacerbate existing inequalities. It could lead to mass unemployment and social unrest if not managed carefully. Governments and policymakers need to address these challenges proactively. They should invest in education and training programs. These programs should equip workers with the skills they need to thrive in an AI-powered world.
The proliferation of AI-powered surveillance technologies poses a significant threat to our privacy. Facial recognition systems, predictive policing algorithms, and other forms of AI surveillance are being deployed around the world. Often, this happens with little transparency or oversight. These technologies have the potential to erode our civil liberties. They can lead to a society where our every move is tracked and monitored. The use of AI in surveillance raises serious ethical questions. We must ensure that these technologies are not used for mass surveillance or to suppress dissent. It is essential to establish clear legal frameworks. These frameworks should govern the use of AI in surveillance. We must protect individual privacy and civil liberties in the digital age.
Judging by the algorithm AI's bias problem and the threat to fairness. In today's rapidly advancing technological landscape, artificial intelligence is becoming an integral part of our daily lives. From healthcare to finance, and even in the criminal justice system, AI is being used to make critical decisions. AI systems are often touted as being objective and unbiased. They are seen as tools that can help eliminate human error and prejudice. However, This perception is not entirely accurate. However, the reality is that these systems can inherit and amplify the biases of their creators. The algorithms are only as good as the data they are trained on. And if that data is flawed, the AI will be too. If the data used to train an AI algorithm is biased, the algorithm itself will be biased. This is because AI learns from historical data, and if that data reflects societal prejudices, the AI will replicate those biases in its decisions. This can have serious consequences. For instance, in hiring processes, biased AI can unfairly disadvantage certain groups of people, perpetuating inequality in the workplace. For example, biased algorithms are being used in the criminal justice system. These algorithms can influence decisions on bail, sentencing, and parole, often to the detriment of minority groups. They can lead to unfair or discriminatory outcomes. A biased algorithm might predict a higher risk of reoffending for a person based on their race or socioeconomic status, leading to harsher penalties. We must address the issue of bias in AI. It is crucial to develop methods to identify and mitigate bias in AI systems to ensure they are fair and just. Otherwise, we risk creating a world where algorithms perpetuate and reinforce existing inequalities. This could lead to a society where technology exacerbates social divides rather than bridging them. Transparency and accountability are essential. We need to know how these algorithms are making decisions and be able to hold them accountable for their outcomes. We must understand how AI systems make decisions. This involves opening up the black box of AI to scrutiny and ensuring that the decision-making process is transparent. We must also ensure that these systems are fair and just in their application. This means involving diverse perspectives in the development of AI and continuously monitoring and updating these systems to prevent bias. Only then can we harness the full potential of AI to create a more equitable society.
The AI arms race, autonomous weapons, and the future of warfare. As we stand on the brink of a new technological era, the development of autonomous weapon systems, often referred to as killer robots, is rapidly becoming one of the most alarming applications of artificial intelligence. These autonomous weapon systems are designed to select and engage targets without any human intervention. Imagine a battlefield where decisions of life and death are made by machines, operating at speeds and with precision that no human could match. The implications of such technology are profound. These weapons could identify and eliminate targets based on pre-programmed criteria, potentially changing the nature of warfare forever. The speed and efficiency of these systems could make them incredibly effective, but also incredibly dangerous. This raises profound ethical and moral questions. Can we trust machines to make decisions that could end human lives? What happens if these systems malfunction or are hacked? The prospect of machines making life and death decisions is deeply unsettling and challenges our understanding of morality and ethics in warfare. The idea of delegating such critical decisions to machines is not only a technical challenge, but also a moral one. The potential for misuse or unintended consequences is enormous. The stakes are incredibly high and the margin for error is virtually non-existent. Autonomous weapons could lead to a new era of warfare, one that is more unpredictable and potentially more devastating. The speed at which these systems can operate could outpace human decision-making, leading to conflicts that escalate rapidly and uncontrollably. This new era could be more unpredictable and potentially more devastating. The chaos and destruction that could result from autonomous weapon systems are almost unimaginable. The potential for collateral damage and unintended consequences is immense. It is imperative that we establish international treaties and regulations to prevent the development and proliferation of these weapons. Global cooperation is essential to ensure that these technologies are not used irresponsibly or maliciously. The future of humanity may depend on our ability to prevent an AI arms race. The stakes are incredibly high, and the consequences of failure could be catastrophic. We must act now to ensure that these technologies are developed and used responsibly. We must work together to ensure that AI is used for good, not for destruction. By fostering international collaboration and establishing clear ethical guidelines, we can harness the power of AI to improve our world rather than destroy it. The future is in our hands, and it is up to us to shape it responsibly.
When machines surpass us, the existential threat of superintelligent AI. Some experts believe that AI could eventually surpass human intelligence, leading to the emergence of superintelligent AI. Such an event could have profound implications for the future of our species. A superintelligent AI could potentially outmaneuver and outsmart humans in virtually every domain. This raises the possibility that AI could pose an existential threat to humanity. While this may seem like science fiction, it is a risk that we cannot afford to ignore. We must proceed with caution in the development of AI. We must prioritize safety and ethics. We must ensure that AI remains under human control.